Chapter 3 Experiment. Aim to find the focal length of a convex lens by plotting graphs between u and v or between 1 by u and 1 by v. Apparatus: an optical bench with 3 uprights, central upright fixed, 2 outer uprights with lateral movement, a convex lens with lens holder, 2 optical needles, one thin, one thick, a knitting needle, a half meter scale and spirit level. Ray diagram. Figure 3.1 focal length of convex lens. Theory: the relation between u, v and f for a convex lens is 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u, implies that f equal to uv by u minus v, where f equal to focal length of convex lens, u equal to distance of object needle from optical center of the lens, v equal to distance of image needle from optical center of the lens. Note, according to sign convention, u has negative value and v has positive value, hence f comes positive. Procedure: to determine rough focal length, place the optical bench on a table and using the spirit level make it horizontal with the help of leveling screws at the base. Mount the convex lens in the lens holder. Go out in the open and face the lens towards a distant object like tree, building, etc. Obtain the image of the tree or the building on a painted white wall screen and move the lens forward and backward to get a sharp image on the wall. Measure the distance between the lens and the wall screen. It will give the rough focal length of convex lens. To set the lens, clamp the holder with lens in a fixed upright and keep the upright at 50 cm mark. Adjust the lens and see that its surface is vertical and perpendicular to the length of the optical bench. Keep the upright fixed in this position throughout. 2. Determine index correction. Find the index correction for distance between optical center of lens and tip of the object needle and also for distance between optical center of lens and tip of the image needle as described in previous experiments. To set the object needle, take the thin optical needle as object needle O, mount it in outer laterally movable upright near zero end. Move the object needle upright and clamp it at a distance in full centimeters, nearly 1.5 times the obtained rough focal length of the lens. Adjust height of the object needle to make its tip lie on horizontal line through the optical center of the lens. Note the position of the index mark on the base of the object needle upright. To set the image needle, with left eye closed, see with the right open eye from the other end of the optical bench. An inverted and enlarged image of the object needle will be seen. Tip of the image must lie in the middle of the lens. Mount the thick optical needle, image needle, in the third upright near the other end of the optical bench. Adjust the height of the image needle so that its tip is seen in line with the tip of the image when seen with right open eye. Move the eye towards right. The tips will get separated. The image tip and the image needle tip have parallax. Remove the parallax tip to tip as described in previous experiments. Note the position of the index mark on base of the image needle upright. Record the position of the index marks on the base of upright of the lens, the object needle and the image needle in the table. To get more observations, move object needle upright towards mirror in steps of 1 cm to get a different object and image distance, or move object needle upright away from mirror in steps of 1 cm. Repeat the experiment. Record all the observations and calculations. Record all the observations in the following table and calculate
the values.
Result.
Precautions.
Tips of the object and image needles should be same height as the center of the convex lens. Parallax between the image needle and the image of the object needle should be removed from tip to tip. The object needle should be placed at such a distance that only its real and inverted image is formed. Index correction for U and V should be applied. The principal axis should be parallel to the bench scale. Sources of error. The uprights may not be the vertical. Parallax removal may not be perfect. Index correction may not have been applied.